Is the games option not showing on your Facebook Messenger? This problem can happen because of outdated app versions or some random app glitches. But don't worry, I'll show you some simple solutions to get back to your games option. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update Messenger. Make sure your Messenger app is updated to its latest version. Open Play Store, search Messenger. When it appears, make sure if there is any update available for your app. You can also enable auto updates for your app. To do that, open the Messenger page on Play Store. Tap the three-dot icon on the corner and simply tap on Enable Auto Update. This will give you latest updates for your Messenger automatically. Solution 2. Clear cache and restart the Messenger app. Tap and hold on the Messenger app icon. Then tap the I button or App Info. Find the option called Storage. Open it, then tap on Clear Cache. After that, close the Messenger app completely by swiping it away from your recent app list. Now reopen Messenger and check if the game option is now visible in the chat. Solution 3. Try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it from the App Store or Google Play Store. To do that, tap and hold the Messenger app. Tap Uninstall. Now confirm the uninstallation. After that, open Play Store. Search Messenger. Now install it again on your device. Log back in and check if the option is now visible. Hopefully, the option will be back by now. So that's how you can fix the missing game option issue on your Facebook Messenger. If the video did the trick for you, be sure to give it a like. But if you're still facing problems, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.